Do you know the difference between saying, good for you and good to you? Most English learners get this wrong, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to use each one. Let's get started. Subscribe Easy English with AI. Alright, let's start with a warm-up. What is something that is healthy? And what is something that is kind? Healthy or helpful things are called good for you. Kind or nice actions are called good to you. Now let's look at the first phrase. Good for you. This means something is beneficial, healthy or suitable. For example, milk is good for you. Reading books is good for you. And when someone says, you passed the test, good for you, it's a way of saying congratulations. Next is good to you. This means someone is kind or treats you well. For example, my grandmother is always good to me. Your best friend is good to you. He was very good to you when you were sick. So remember, good for you is about health or benefit, while good to you is about kindness. Let's practice. Fill in the blanks with either good for you or good to you. Give your answers in the comments.
Now, it's your turn to speak. Make your own sentences. One with good for you, something that is healthy or beneficial. And one with good to you, someone being kind or caring. Say them out loud to practice. Here's a quick summary. Good for you means healthy, beneficial, or suitable. Good to you means kind, nice, or caring. Easy, right? Try using both in your daily conversations.